Let's clear up one misconception about Julia Bates, the College of Law's Distinguished Alumna for 2013. It's absolutely not true that the uber-successful Lucas County Prosecutor changes her hair color every week. Although photos, including this one with President Bill Clinton, may say otherwise, we're not going to mess around with the lady who has transformed the prosecutor's office by using technology to solve some of our area's most heinous crimes. Besides, she's got a gun. Julie was born to Mary Ann and Bill Reinberger, who have now been married for 64 years. The oldest of three girls, here's Julie explaining the proper use of Clairol's Nice and Easy to Susan and Karen. Julie graduated from Independence High School located near Cleveland. She was on the homecoming court there but didn't win. It's believed to be the only election she's ever lost. It was on to Wittenberg for undergraduate in membership in Gamma Phi Beta sorority. A history major, she spent spring break of her senior year in Washington meeting Representative John Ashbrook. Wanting to be a lawyer since 8th grade, Julie had the drive but was told by an advisor at Wittenberg that law school was no place for a woman. So she went out and got a job at a bank in Bowling Green. A few months in, Julie said, "This is ridiculous. I don't want to work in a bank." We're not sure if it had something to do with the location or not, but Julie came to Toledo and graduated in 1976. Ironically, she was approached by that same Wittenberg advisor years later. It was after she successfully argued a case in the Ohio Supreme Court. The man asked if she remembered what he had told her. After Julie said yes, he responded, "It's a good thing you didn't listen." Julie was an intern assigned to juvenile court in 1976 when an attorney from the prosecutor's office stopped into her area one day. She asked another lawyer, "Who's that?" "That's Bates," was the response. "He came over to check you out." Jim and Julie were married in 1982. Jim, a 1972 UT law grad, is now a judge in Lucas County Common Pleas Court. Julie had jury duty in his courtroom for a civil case a couple of years back. He told her, "In this room, I'm in charge. You have to do what I say." Afterward, he told the jury, "It's the first time in 30 years I've ever slept with a juror." The couple has 4 children, Kim, Scott, Will, and Lee. A dynamo, Julie is one of the most successful and innovative prosecutors in the country. With a staff of 103, including 60 attorneys, her division handles upward of 4,000 felony cases annually. Now in her 37th year as a prosecutor and 17th in charge, she's been elected 5 times and only her first race had opposition. With good reason, Julie gets results and is the cold case queen. One night after attending a conference and hearing about DNA, she sat up in bed and said, "Why can't we solve crimes with this?" Since that day in 1999, 30 cold case murders have been solved dating back to the 1960s, including Father Gerald Robinson, who was convicted of killing a nun. Her proudest moment came in 2000 when she got a search warrant to test the blood of Anthony and Nathaniel Cook and used DNA testing to convict them for 9 serial killings dating back to the 1970s. It was her first successful DNA conviction. No matter how you color it, Julia Bates is a fantastic prosecutor and the College of Law's Distinguished Alumna for 2013.